Hi, this is Michael Nathau from High Tech Trader. This is the Mellen 1500 degrees C 4-inch tube furnace. It's in excellent condition. Dave and I are going to now attempt to lift it. The actual cover is very heavy. You can get inside. Looks like it's in excellent condition. It's a 10 kilowatt unit, 3-phase. Let's take a look at the back, Don. I have no idea where the thermocouples go. Really don't see a port for that yet. But I look forward to chatting with you about it. It is 4 inches by 34 inches. Heating zone, probably 30 inches. 609-518-9100. Thank you from High Tech.